Good morning. I'm John from room 305. I need to talk to someone.
Good morning, Mr. John. I'm Mary, the manager. How can I help?
There's a big problem. My room is very noisy. I can't sleep.
I'm sorry to hear that. What kind of noise is it?
It's people talking and laughing, very loud. I think it's the room next to mine.
I understand. That's not good. What time did this happen?
Last night, around 11 p.m., and again at 2 a.m.
That's too late. I apologize for this. Let me check the system.
I have an important meeting today. I'm very tired now.
I see. I'm really sorry. I can move you to a quiet room on the fourth floor.
Is it available now?
Yes, it is. Room 412. It's ready, no noise there.
That's good. Thank you.
I'll also give you a discount for the trouble. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fair. I appreciate it.
Perfect. Here's your new key. I'll send someone to help with your bags.
Thank you, Mary. You solved the problem quickly.
You're welcome. We want you to have a good stay. Please call me if you need anything.